In the mysterious wilderness shrouded in secrecy, haunting moments and the profound essence of survival of the predator, the snake begin to unfold. It is an uncompromising battle between brutality and cunning, where the predator asserts its strength and wild instinct impressively. Sharp fangs gleam in the darkness, the snake's tongue. In the wilderness, a giant, dangerous snake faces off against a pack of mongooses. With its large and formidable fangs, the snake appears menacing. However, surrounded from all sides by the pack of mongooses, the snake finds itself in a defensive position, hesitating to attack. The challenge between power and bold combat unfolds between the two sides, painting a dramatic and perilous picture in the wild natural world. As the mouse desperately tries to flee, its efforts are in vain against the swift speed of the snake closing in. The snake, with its superior agility, swiftly strikes and captures the mouse. Subsequently, it leisurely savors the freshly caught prey, savoring the reward of its hunt. A striking green snake quietly hangs, its long, agile body coiled around a tree branch. Suddenly, with a lightning-fast strike, the snake captures a gecko. It grips the prey tightly, its head and neck expanding as it attempts to swallow the gecko whole. With its remarkable ability, the snake effortlessly swallows the gecko whole, even while hanging from the branch. Its muscles contract rhythmically, pulling the prey down its throat and into its belly. The vibrant green scales glisten as the snake adjusts its position, showcasing the incredible adaptability of nature's predators. Although a formidable predator, this snake can sometimes become prey to other snakes. In an intriguing video, a smaller snake is ensnared by a larger one. With superior strength, the larger snake constricts tightly, leaving the smaller snake unable to escape. It then slowly swallows the smaller snake whole, illustrating the harsh realities of nature, where every creature can become a victim in the food chain. This scene emphasizes the brutality and complexity of wildlife. This time, The predator snake is a mongoose, but the prey refuses to accept its fate easily. As the snake strikes, the mongoose fights back fiercely, using its sharp teeth to bite the snake. The battle between the two creatures unfolds dramatically, with twists, turns, and growls echoing through the air. Both sides display strength and determination, highlighting the survival instincts in the natural world. The confrontation is not just a struggle for life, but also a battle of wits between predator and prey. The sharp fangs of snakes, filled with venom, are among the deadliest weapons in the natural world. When a snake strikes, the fatal bites occur swiftly and accurately, leaving an unforgettable mark on unfortunate prey. Up close, one can see the intricacy of the fangs, reflecting light like sharp blades. Venom flows from the gaps in the fangs as a warning to any creature daring to come near. These moments, captured authentically, showcase the power and brutality of snakes, highlighting the harsh survival cycle in nature. The special feature of snakes when hunting is their ability to use highly sensitive senses to detect prey. With their flexible bodies and excellent camouflage skills, snakes can approach their targets quietly. They use their forked tongues to sense scents in the air, helping them pinpoint the location of their prey. Additionally, some snake species can detect temperature changes, allowing them to find warm-blooded animals even in the dark. This perfect combination of speed, strength, and hunting strategy makes snakes skilled and effective hunters in the natural world. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and comment to see more interesting videos about the wild world.